guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to jump on here real quickly since we are so close to 500 subscribers, and I want to give a little bit more information regarding the drawing or giveaway that we will be doing. I was going to go ahead and create the journal that we're going to be giving away, but I got to thinking about it and I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, there will be a video, and I may actually use this one, and I'll let you know in the title if I do. But in the video that we're going to use, I want you to make sure that you like the video, make sure that you add a comment, and then share the video, and in your comment make sure that you put shared. And you must be subscribed in order to win. And as soon as we hit 500 subscribers, it may be a day, it may be a week, who knows, but as soon as we hit 500 subscribers, I will do the random picker, and I'll come on here and I'll do that recorded so that you can see it and so that you'll know that it was a random pick. And once I get that name, and it'll be picked from the names or the comments that are under this video, we're going to use this video. It will be the comments that were under this video that have liked the video, shared the video, and are subscribed. And I would love it if you would leave, a little comment. Let me know what you enjoy about my channel or about my videos, or what you'd like to see me change, or, whatever. So I will pull from the comments on this video. And then as soon as I do that, I will need you to get in touch with me through my email, and I'll, get some general information like what are your favorite colors, do you have any preferences as far as flowers or animals, or, something like that. So that way I am actually going to tailor the journal for you. So I think that way it'll be a little bit more personal, a little bit more special. So that's what we're going to do. So make sure that you like, you're subscribed, you comment, and let's get this journal made and sent out to you. And unfortunately, as far as the journal goes, I can only do that to the US. However, let me say this. You can still enter the contest, and if your name is drawn and you are outside of the United States, I will still need your email and your information, like your preferences, because I will create a digital paper pack designed especially for you, and I will either name it, whatever name you choose for that paper pack, or I will name it and give you the, like say inspired by or whatever. And if you are a US viewer and you would prefer the digital paper pack created for you or inspired by you instead of the journal, all you'll have to do is just let me know in that initial email after you win. So just quick updates, so stay tuned. It's going to be coming very soon. Thanks, you guys. Y'all have made me, you see how big my head's getting? Hush, Chelle. I don't want to hear nothing out of you. Which, speaking of, let me tell y'all. So, Chelle over at the Ramblin Crafter, she knows that my mind's not good sometimes. I got too much on my plate. And she likes to mess with me. So this morning, she beat me this morning. Very rare. Anyway, she beat me this morning telling me good morning. And her good morning was a meme that said Friday. So I'm like, what? It's Friday? Huh? No, it's not Friday. That's what she does. Yeah. Anyway. Bye guys. Have a good day. I am off to my other job. Bye.